Ventoy is an easy-to-use tool for creating a bootable USB drive by simply copying disk images to it. This avoids using separate tools like Rufus and Etcher to burn an image. It supports multiple images on the same disk and will present a menu of disk images to boot from. It supports many BIOS types including UEFI. To download Ventoy, visit the website at ventoy.net. This explains more about the tool itself. Once there, click on Downloads. You'll find Windows and Linux versions of the tool. We'll click on the Windows version. This will take you to the Ventoy GitHub project page, which also lists the release notes. Click on the version you wish to download. Once downloaded, click on it and it will open up the zip file. Once the zip file is opened, click Extract All and progress through the prompts. Once the tool is extracted, open the folder. Double-click to open Ventoy to disk. If you're presented with a warning, click Run anyway. At the top of the window, it will show available drives. Click on the drop-down to change the one detected. If it detects a previous version of Ventoy is on the drive, it will indicate what version and will upgrade it without removing existing disk images if you click Update. There are a number of options in regard to things like partitions and secure boot support. To install, click Install. This will wipe the drive. To confirm you're happy to do this, type Yes and click OK. It will remind you once again the device will be formatted. Click Yes on this and the following prompt. Ventoy will now be installed. Once complete, click OK. Confirm that the versions match and close the program. The USB can now be populated and used. To populate the drive with disk images, open up the drive called Ventoy. Then copy in the disk image files that you wish to use. In this example, we are going to use Clonezilla, System Rescue and Ubuntu. Once the copy is complete, you can eject the USB drive. Check your PC instructions to enable USB booting. Upon booting the drive, it will present you with a list of disk images on the drive. Using the arrow keys, select the image you wish to boot, in this case Ubuntu. Click Enter and select the boot mode. The disk image will then be launched and you can continue to boot from this image. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you like what you saw. Please subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron at our Patreon or join our channel. The details are below.